Hey guys, this is me Nishi, and I welcome you all in Coding Mania. So guys, I'm so excited. This is our second part of data science series, and this session is about introduction to Matplotlib library. And Matplotlib is very important for visualizing the data. So that can be helpful to machine learning as well. So this is really basic thing for any data science subject. So let's have a look on Matplotlib. So firstly, you can install Matplotlib by using pip install Matplotlib. Now I'll show you plots one by one. First plot is line plot. So firstly, I'm importing Matplotlib. I'm importing pyplot from Matplotlib as plt alias, and then I'm setting some list x and y. You can it's up to you. You can choose number between like 1 to 20 or anything you want to add. You can add, and this is nothing but list. Then you can set plt this alias dot x label, and you can set the label which you want to add. Then y label, and after that plt dot plot x y, this x and y. Then c means color black. You can choose yellow, green, any color you want. Then line style dash dotted, you can use anything. Then marker, you can use um, greater than, less than, for triangle marker or anything. It's up to you and your choice. Then you can simply write plt.show for plotting the plot. And for saving this figure, you can write plt.savefig and the name of the file which you want to give. So this is our line plot. This looks like this because we have given the line style dash and marker as O. So now second one is bar plot. Same, I have given some values to the list of x and y and define the same label. Here difference is there, like plt dot plot was there earlier, but now here it is plt dot bar. So this is bar plot x y, and there we have defined c equal to black. Here we are defining color equal to yellow, green, anything. Then plt dot show and plt dot savefig. This is our bar plot histogram. So for that we need only y axis. So I am defining any array, any list, and then plt dot hist. Here I am using hist because we want to plot histogram. Then I am passing y comma color. Here also we are using color green. Now x label and y label. Then plt dot show and savefig. This is our histogram. You can see x and y label are there. Scatter plot. So now here I am importing random from NumPy because I wanted to cover this area. Earlier I was using 5 or 4 elements in list, and it was like in this image, like it was like 4 or 5 dots. It was looking very bad. So I used 100 elements in array, NumPy array, because In previous video I have shown one method, random.randid, like in between 0 to 100 randomly numbers will be generated and 100 numbers. So one array will contain 100 elements. So likewise I have generated for x and y, and I have defined x and y label, and here I am using plt.scatter. Guys, please focus on the method because this method is really important. Then I am passing x, y and c equal to m. M is nothing but magenta, that is color code. Even you can pass B for blue, Y for yellow. It's up to you. Then plt.show for plotting the plot, scatter plot, and then plt.savefig. So this is how Matplotlib is useful. And please focus on the function of the PLT. Like for line plot we are using plot, for bar plot we are using bar, and for histogram we are using hist, and for scatter plot we are using scatter. If you like this video, then please press like, and please comment in comment box like how it is useful to you, and are you enjoying this series or not. And please guys, subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for watching this video.